Good morning student. Today our topic is Zener diode. Previous class we have discussed about PN junction diode, its characteristic in forward bias and reverse bias, and how it works, like half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. Zener diode, today's topic, is also called the breakdown diode. A PN junction diode specially designed for operation in the breakdown region in reverse bias condition. It is like an ordinary PN junction diode, except that is the properly dropped so as to have there a sharp breakdown voltage. The diode may use either Zener or a sharp breakdown voltage. If we see that the symbol of Zener diode, this is the symbol of a Zener diode. So this is similar to the normal diode, but line represent the cathode is bent in the both side. Cathode is bent in the both side. Looks like a Z shape, so it is called Zener. Zener diode are generally works at breakdown diode or silicon or germanium use, but silicon is preferred over germanium because the higher operating temperature and current capability. The knee point is also more sharp in case of silicon diode. These diodes are analogous to gas discharge tube in which large current appear on reaching the breakdown potential. Zener diodes are connected into circuit in with their cathodes at the positive terminal because they operate in reverse bias mode. Zener diodes are packaged in the same way as conventional semiconductor diode. Smaller Zener diode marked as the same way a conventional diode looks like I have discussed that way. And the construction, if we see the construction, it looks like a PN junction diode except it is properly dropped so that it has sharp breakdown voltage. There are several methods used in the manufacture of Zener diode such as diffuse structure, diffuse and passive structure, and alloy diffuse structure. If we see the voltage ampere characteristic of Zener diode, so voltage ampere characteristic, whatever we see that if we draw this is the voltage positive axis, this is the negative axis, direction of forward current, this is the reverse current. So if we see, this is for germanium and this is for silicon. 0.3, 0.7. This is for silicon 10 nanoampere VZ breakdown voltage, and for germanium this is VZZE germanium is 2 microampere. This is the -2, -4, -6, -8. Now part 5, 10, 15, 20. So the breakdown of junction is explained first American scientist C. Zener, and from his name it is called breakdown voltage is some VZ Zener voltage, and sharply increased current is called Zener current IZ. Voltage ampere characteristic of silicon germanium, from the figure if we see that the breakdown of or Zener voltage VZ depend upon the amount of dropping. A heavily dropped diode will have very thin deflection layer, so Zener voltage will very low. By the controlling of the thickness of the deflection layer and doping operation, it is possible to make Zener diode to break down a specified voltage called Zener voltage ranging from 2.4 to 200 volt. The forward characteristics of Zener diode are similar to the ordinary junction diode, and the reverse bias we see that this is the characteristic. During the operation of breakdown, it does not burn immediately. As long as the current passed through the diode is limited by external circuit when permissible value, it does not burn out. Zener impedance. How we represent Zener impedance? It is important parameters, and Zener impedance, the resistance of the Zener diode, dynamic resistance Rz, is denoted by del Vz by del Iz. Del Vz by del Iz. So del Vz are the small variation in voltage and current respectively. If we see that what are the equivalent circuit of Zener diode, there is a resistance voltage, here is the V, this is the Rz, this is Vz, and the Zener diode. So if we see the equivalent circuit, the complete equivalent Rz is the dynamic resistance, beta is the Vz is given. And assuming the breakdown curve of the virtual line, Zener dynamic is negligible constants. Zener specification, Zener diode specified by breakdown voltage Vz, breakdown current Ij, and the maximum power is Pz max, Zener impedance ZZT. Zener diode are available for Zener voltage 2.4 to 200 volt with accuracy from 5 to 10%, 20%. The preferred value of 3.3, 4.7, 9.1, these are the values to up to 200 volt. Power dissipation is the product of Vz and Iz. Product of Vz and Iz is the power dissipation, and the maximum power rating is 150 megawatt to 250 watt. Commonly available power rating is 0.413. These are the common. Zener diode application. Zener diode as a voltage regulator. We use meter protection. We use switching operation, reference element. We can use Zener diode. So main if we use voltage regulator, if we see the what is its representation, then as a voltage regulator, there is Rs, then there Is current passing through it, then there is a Zener breakdown, this is the RL, here we take the V out, this is the IL current, this is the Iz Zener diode, this is the called Zener diode. Here we apply the supply voltage. So voltage regulator, the equation current Is, we measure Vs minus Vz by Rs. Supply voltage Vs, Vs the generator board, Rs is the resistance of the series resistor Rs, and current Is equal to Iz plus IL. Here we see that how generator as a voltage regulator to provide constant voltage from a source whose voltage may be vary appreciably. A resistor Rs is necessary to limit the reverse current through the diode, so save the value the voltage Vs, and the resistor Rs so selected the diode operation in the breakdown region. Diode voltage is Vz and diode current Iz. Rs absorb the output of the current, so generator reverse corrected variation should be regulated. As long as RL is less than the breakdown Vz, the generator does not contact. The resistor Rs and RL continues the voltage divider across Vz, Vs, and at the increased Vs, the voltage drop across the load resistance become greater, and generator breakdown voltage is operate the breakdown region. So these are the from the Zener breakdowns. And if we see the meter protection, and the meter protection, we also use Zener diode. Here there is a resistance, there is a meter, and we use a Zener diode here as a Meter protection, movement of current across the damage of the accidental application of excessive voltage in such a Zener diode is parallel with the meter. In case of accidental overload, most of the current to pass to the Zener diode, so the meter movement will be saved from damage. Two Zener diodes are connected for the overload protection, realize the over. It's as a positive clipper. If we see the how it is positive peak clipper, suppose this is the applied voltage, we applied a Zener diode here. This is the RL, this is the picture, there is the R. If we see the graph, this is the Vz, this is the minus Vz, this is the graph. Two shear D2 are connected, D1 and D2 are connected, shorted input sinusoidal Vmax volt and Zener voltage Vz volt. We see that Zener diode at such a short, very low resistance with the forward bias open and will get reverse bias Vz, the action of the circuit. For the positive D1 it is forward bias and a short, while the D2 looks as the open, so have to go to the Vz, and therefore the D2 goes into breakdown and holds the output voltage Vz, input voltage follow the Vz, later part of the positive half cycle. So this is because the during time both are short. When supply voltage falls below Vz, the D2 comes out the breakdown and again it's open load current. During the negative input cycle, D1 D2 are reverse bias and the resulting output voltage is clip off, and we see the output here like that one. So this is the application, and switching operation generator can produce sudden change from low current to high current, so it is useful for switching operation. The use of generator switching operation made possible extremely fast performance in computer application, and it is as a also reference element. So we see the what are the application of generator and VI characteristic. Generally it's over in the reverse bias condition. So these are the difference between PN junction diode and Zener diode.